Case of double hashing is defined as function, which is used to avoid collision. Usually, the hash function will be like the value model of table size. So we can define another function. So for example, we do hash of x. So we apply this hash function x, and the second hash function is to the x. So we are accessing the value and over the distance hash of x and 2 into hash of x and so on. This function should not evaluate to zero. If it evaluates to zero, this function cannot be chosen. Uh, so in the previous example that we have discussed, the hash function originally defined hash function x modulo 9 that will try to insert the value 99. Uh, so here the newly designed function uh, which is r minus x modulo r. With r is a prime number which is smaller than the table at side reversal. This r equal to 6. Now try r equal to 7 for the previous example. We will get 7 minus x modulo 7. So this graph shows the related efficiency of both the collision resolution methods for both successful as well as unsuccessful search. Four methods such as separate chaining, linear coding, quadratic coding, and double hashing. So this shows the related efficiency of successful search uh, as well as unsuccessful search. So average number of probes is higher for linear coding in case of uh, unsuccessful search as well as in successful search. But in case of unsuccessful search, it is quite high. So the applications of hashing are the compilers can use this hash table to implement symbol table. Symbol table is a data structure to keep track of declared variables. Similarly, the game programs also use hash table to keep track of position it has encountered. That table is called as the transposition table. It is also used in online spelling checkers. It is all hash tables are used to implement the insert and find operation in constant average time. So if you want these two operations to happen in constant average time, it is more efficient to use the hash table, which depends on the load factor, but not on the number of items in the table. So this constant average time is purely independent of the number of items in the table. That is, it is purely independent of the table size. It only depends on the load factor. And for this, it is very important that the table size has to be prime. It is the right choice for a load factor as well as the hash function. Um, in the initially, in the initial discussed collision resolution technique, which is a commonly used technique that is separate chaining, there the load factor is close to 1. For open addressing, the load factor should not exceed 0.5 unless it is completely unavoidable. So if you want to grow the table size or if you want to shrink the table size, rehashing would be the best choice. So let me tell you one more, few more information about hashing. So we will have a quick recap of what is hashing, all those things. So hashing is considered as a technique of mapping a large chunk of data into smaller tables with the help of a hash function. It is also used known as the message digest function. This you would hear about this message digest in cryptography and network security. If you want to send a message, you would have heard about message digest, all those things there. So it is a technique that is that uniquely identifies a specific item from the collection of similar items. So it is used to store the data in array format with the help of hash table. Each key value or the element in the array has a unique index number. This unique index number is generated with the help of a special technique called as the hash technique. We need to find the index number of every item instead of finding the data. So with this indexing, it is possible to easily scan the entire list of items and obtain the item that you want. So with the help of this indexing, you can also insert the data at a specific location, no matter how the table is big or small. You can able to insert and retrieve the data in fraction of seconds. So this is a major advantage of using hashing. This hashing can be considered as two-step process. The first process is about converting the item into a smaller integer of hash value with the help of hash function. This integer is used as the index to store the original key. So it stores that key in the hash table. Based on that key, it stores the data based on the key. With that key, you can also locate the data quickly. So this is all about hashing and the collision resolution techniques. Hope you understood this topic. In the next video, we will discuss some examples for hashing and we will look into some problems. Thanks for watching and continue watching.